Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to talk about my Aldi cheese advent calendar grocery haul coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, I'm going to dive in talking about my Aldi cheese advent calendar. I know, I understand. I'm filming this on November 8th, and I know Christmas is a ways away, but I had to share with you in the good news of how I got my Aldi Advent cheese calendar and how you can get one too. First and foremost, if you like this video, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. On this channel, we talk about all things low carb and all things keto, which are high fat, moderate protein, low carb for LCHF eating. Okay, let's dive in. So the advent calendar itself, mine was $12.99, so 13 bucks for 25 days worth of cheese. And if you, spoiler alert, if you don't want to know what's in your advent calendar, you can just click on one of my other keto snack videos. I have lots of other Aldi grocery hauls that are keto, Aldi grocery hauls that are low carb, and lots of keto snacks. But here is the advent calendar. When you pop it out, it has all the different days on the front and the back, and then on the back it is 24 cheeses. I beg your pardon, not 25. 24 imported mini cheeses, and on here aged Gouda, aged cheddar, Gouda, Havarti, lots of good things. So I'm gonna start popping them open to show you. It's basically 50 cents per cheese, what they are, what they look like, and is it worth the investment. To note, on my other videos I did that's coming out on my Aldi grocery haul, my keto Aldi grocery haul, I had my husband go on the day it was released, which was November 7th, 2018. He went, they were totally sold out. He went at 5 o'clock at night. He said there was a mad rush. The wine advent calendar at Aldi was sold out, and the Aldi cheese advent calendar totally sold out. I went today because I was filming for another keto grocery haul video at Aldi, and they had like 12 of them. So I scooped up 3 of them and I got them for myself. Quick note, and the reason why I got 3 was these don't expire until January 18th, 2019. So I thought it would be good to have just some extra ones after Christmas time, and that's basically November, December, January. It's 3 months from now. So I thought it was a good little snack thing to have. They are 50 cents per, basically 50 cents per thing, a little bit more than that because it was 13 bucks. So on day 1, look at this cute little thing. It's a little mini cheese. It says Gouda matured. And that's the little package that it has. Let me show you. So that's the little package. Someone had made a comment on my Facebook and Instagram page of they don't do advent calendars because they would eat the whole thing. I feel like I am similar. I may eat the whole thing. But I am having a keto pregnancy. I am pregnant. So does that count? Do I get bonus points for that because I am pregnant? Here's the next one. As I pull it out, it is Havarti. Same thing. So we had a Gouda, we had a Havarti. Day number 3, December 3rd. Ooh, I can't say this properly, folks. I'm sorry. If you want to phonetically put it in the comments so I can learn, it's red, Leicester. I don't even want to pronounce that. I'm going to butcher it. Leicester. It's an orange cheese. It looks kind of cheddar-y to me. Day number 4 is another Gouda matured. How cute is that? Day 5 of our Aldi grocery haul cheese calendar is white cheddar. This looks, I was gonna say it looks like it has mold on it. It doesn't. Does it? It doesn't. It's just the packaging. It's perfect. Perfect white cheddar cheese, no mold to be had. Can you see my cheese heaven that I'm having here? This is exciting. Okay, I think these are kind of all, we're kind of getting, I was wondering if they would be different sizes, but I'm assuming they're all this shape, like rectangularly blocked. Yeah, so this is a Havarti. I'm catching on to the sizing here. Let's just open. We're gonna be rebels. We are gonna be rebels. We're gonna open up day 24. Let's see what's in there, and let's cut to the chase, Jace, and see. Yep. Okay, it's another cheese I cannot pronounce. EDAM. How do we pronounce that? For all of my UK folks, I feel like you guys know. You guys know. You're more sophisticated than this Virginia chick. Edam. I'm gonna eat my Edam. Okay, so that's the Aldi cheese advent calendar. It's almost, it's 16.9 ounces, so it's 1 pound of cheese. This is a great gift, by the way. So if you know of somebody who's doing keto, who's doing low carb, my dad just started doing low carb, which makes the Countess of Low Carb so excited. This is a great thing. It says keep refrigerated, once open, use within 7 days. I'm assuming they mean the cheese used within 7 days. I don't think they mean the actual packages of cardboard. It says each cheese has been made in Europe and packed to seal in the freshness. I would agree with that. So I'm going to try one because, like I said, I am pregnant and just it's taunting me. Like, how can you taunt the pregnant lady and not? How could you not try the Gouda? Oh my God. Wait, here's the red LCHF. I don't know how you pronounce that. Did I say that? LCHF? One more. Tastes like regular cheddar. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I do like that the product gives a warning label of contains milk, just in case you didn't know that cheese contains milk. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. And make sure you check out some of my other Aldi grocery shopping hauls and my Aldi keto grocery shopping hauls. This happens to be an awesome keto snack, keto gift for 13 bucks, by the way. Like, I don't know. I was thinking about giving it to my kids' teachers. Is that a bad teacher gift? I don't know. But if you like this video, put cheese down below so I know to do more videos just like this one. Give it a big old thumbs up and make sure you click subscribe. Wishing you a happy holiday season and enjoy your advent calendar, guys. See you later.